Hello everyone! In this video review, we will talk about the free magnetic levels indicator, which automatically plots key support and resistance levels on the chart. This allows you to more accurately determine the moments for buying, call, and put options. The indicator is suitable for both beginners and more experienced traders. It has built-in alerts, so the signals will definitely not pass you by. Let's look at how this tool works and how it can be useful in your trading. Let's install the magnetic levels indicator in the MetaTrader 4 terminal. The indicator itself, like our template with all the settings, is installed in a standard way, nothing complicated. You will find a link to the archive with the indicator and detailed instructions for installing it in the description under this video. Now, let's look at the operating principle and key settings of this indicator. Magnetic levels displays key support and resistance levels on the chart, which can be used as a guide when opening trades to buy call or put options. The levels are calculated in real time, which allows you to estimate to what marks the asset price can rise or fall. The magnetic levels indicator highlights three types of price levels on the chart. Blue resistance levels are used to enter into transactions to buy put options. The gray neutral level displays the center of the current trading range and does not give trading signals. Red support levels are used to open transactions to buy call options. The color scheme in this indicator may seem a little unusual. Usually, red indicates signals to buy put options, not call. Here, everything is the other way around, and you cannot change the colors. You will have to work with what the author has set. There are not many of them in terms of settings. The user can only activate alerts, but other parameters, including formulas and conditions by which signals are formed, remain hidden. To open the call option, we wait for the price to touch the red level and for a green arrow to appear on the chart. Apparently, the calculation of intervals between levels is based on the average true range indicator. Its value is most likely used as a step by which horizontal levels are built. Let's look at the rules for trading binary options using this indicator. The levels plotted by the magnetic levels indicator can be used not only to enter trades, but also as benchmarks for setting take profit and stop loss. This will be especially useful for those who trade on Forex, but binary options traders should focus on signals in the form of arrows. If you are not yet confident in your abilities and are considering the possibility of buying trading signals, take a look at our materials on this topic, or pay attention to the time-tested win-profit 80 signal indicator. It can be an excellent starting point. So to buy call options you need: 1. The price touches the red level on the chart. 2. A green arrow appears under the candle. 3. At the opening of the next candle, we buy the call option. To open put options you need: first, the price touches the blue level. Second, a purple arrow appears above the candle. And third, at the opening of a new candle, we buy put option. We recommend setting the expiration time at 5 candles. This parameter can be adjusted depending on the selected asset and the results of backtesting. The main thing is to choose the duration of the transaction at which the indicator signals show the best results. Now a few words about the advantages and disadvantages of this indicator. Magnetic levels can be used as familiar technical analysis tools. The more candles touch the level with their shadows, the stronger it is and the more noticeable the price movement will be when it is broken. If you want to understand in more detail the trading from support and resistance levels, we recommend looking at our article, How to Use Support and Resistance Levels in Binary Options. One of the main advantages of horizontal support and resistance levels in the magnetic levels indicator is their simplicity and ease of visual perception. These lines clearly show the zones where the price can receive support from buyers or, on the contrary, face resistance from sellers. Magnetic levels is universal, works with any assets and time frames, perfectly helps to find entry points for call and put options, and built-in alerts will not let you miss an important signal. At the same time, this indicator has its drawbacks. Horizontal levels do not always work accurately. The price can easily break through them or ignore them altogether, leaving the trader at a loss. In addition, such levels do not take into account important factors that also affect the price movement: news, fundamental analysis, and other technical indicators. Therefore, it is worth remembering that support and resistance levels are better suited for short-term trading rather than for long-term holding of positions. In general, the magnetic levels binary options indicator is a convenient and simple tool for analyzing the market. Its clear horizontal support and resistance levels help define potential entry points into trades. This indicator is universal. It can be used with different currency pairs and time frames, which makes it useful in various trading strategies. And remember, any strategy or indicator is just a tool that you need to learn how to use correctly. Be sure to check and test the indicator on a demo account of historical data, while not forgetting about the rules of risk and capital management. And also choose only proven brokers, which you can find on our website, in our regularly updated rating. If you liked the video, like it, and subscribe to our channel. Register on our website, and you will be constantly updated on the latest news from the field of binary options trading, cryptocurrency, and the Forex market. Thank you for your attention. We wish everyone good profit and safe trading. And so that you do not doubt the reliability of this indicator, we will demonstrate its work in real time and confirm that its signals do not repaint.